Hi kids, so in this video we'll solve ICC semester 2 specimen question paper for biology. Again, it has two sections, section A and section B. Section A has 10 MCQ, 1 mark each, and section B has 5 questions, 10 marks each. You have to answer any 3. Okay, so let's get started. Section A first. Okay, this is MCQ number 1. A muscular wall is absent in A. Capillary. Yeah, that's my correct option. Capillary. Okay. Now, number 2. The outermost layer of meninges. Now, the outermost layer of meninges is durameter. So, option D is my correct option. That is durameter. Done. Now, let us look at number 3. Tear gland is also called, option B is correct, that is lacrimal gland. Done. Number 4. Which one of the following is not a simple reflex? Be careful with the word not. Coughing, blinking, eating. Yes. Option C is my correct option. Eating is not a simple reflex. Loop of Henle lies in, option A is correct, which is medulla. Just recall, okay, if you have read. These are very simple question. Number 6. The pigment that gives color to urine, urochrome. So option C is my correct option. Number 7. The number of spinal nerves in human, 31 pair. So 31 pair. That's option C is my correct option. Done. Chalo. We'll look at the next one. Number 8. What they've given in number 8. Let me check it out. The mineral element needed for functioning of thyroid gland, iodine. Number D, iodine there. Okay. Number 9. The part of the brain concerned with memory, that's cerebrum. That is option A, cerebrum. Okay. The number 10. The pigmented circular area seen in front of the eye. Cornea, no. Lens, no. C, iris is my correct option. Done. Section A done. Now we look at section B. Okay. Number 1. Part 1, what they've told. Explain the term tropic hormone. Give one example of tropic hormone. I'm just writing it. Tropic hormones are the hormones that act on some other endocrine glands as their target. Example is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Done. This was number 1. Number 2, what they have given. Give the location of pericardial fluid, where it is present. What is its function? First of all, the location. It is present in between the pericardial wall. Pericardial wall, you can say. Yes or no? And state its function. Function क्या होगा? It helps to decrease friction. It helps to decrease friction between the pericardial wall. Done. Very easy. Now this is number 2, part 2. Let us look at 3. Given below is the diagram of the human blood smear. Label the part number 1, 2 and 3. So if you look carefully, just a second, yeah. Part 1. What is part 1, this is part 3. Part 1 they have marked as RBC. If you look carefully, this is RBC, isn't it? 2. Second one is WBC, white blood cell. And if you look carefully, number 3, the smaller one, platelets. Platelets. Yes or no? So this is my marking. Done. Now let us look at the next question. Number 4. What they've given? Give the biological name. Give the biological term for the 3-ear ossicles. Very easy. Malleus, incus and stapes. M-A-L-L-E-U-S, malleus, incus and stapes. Yes or no? That's my answer. This was question 2. Done. Now let us look at question number 3. Mention 2 structural difference between artery and veins. 2 structural difference. So please don't write functional difference. Read the question carefully. Number 1. It has thick muscular wall, isn't it? Muscular wall. And when you talk about veins, they have it has thin, it has thin and thin muscular wall, you can say. Yes or no? Number 2, artery, they don't have vein, do not contain valve. Sorry, I'm talking about vein. Do not contain valve. Artery do not contain valve. But when you talk about vein, it has valves. It has valves. Yes or no? So this was a difference, 2 structural difference between artery and vein. Thick muscular wall, thin muscular wall. They do not have valve. They have valve. Okay. Now, number 2. This was 3 part 1. 3 part 2, what they have given? Just a second. Yeah. Where is bicuspid valve located and what is its function? So location कहाँ पे होगा? It is located between the heart's left atrium and left ventricle This is the location. Yes or no? And function, what is its function? It helps prevent blood from flowing backward, isn't it? Flowing backward. That is the function. Yes or no? Chalo. This was the function. Now let us look at number 3. There's a diagram, okay? Number 3. Draw a neat diagram of a Malpighian capsule and label any 2 part. I'm very bad at drawing, I'll tell you. Let us draw. This is Bowman's capsule, okay? I'm just trying, okay? This is your Bowman's capsule, okay? And inside we have glomerulus. This is thicker, this is thinner. Yes or no? Now we'll just take it inside, subdivided, just drawing it like this, okay? So this is your glomerulus, and this is your Bowman's capsule. They have told us to label any 2 part. This entire thing is known as Malpighian capsule. Done. Number 4, what they've given. Define the term excretion, right? Which are the two main organic waste present in urine? Now, first of all, what is excretion? Excretion, that is removal of toxic and unwanted waste from the body, that is excretion. Yes or no? And then they have told which are the two main organic waste present in urine. So organic waste, first is urea, second is creatinine. Okay, these are the organic waste present in this urine. Done. Sure. We'll do number 4 now. Let us see. Yeah. 4 part 1. Name the substance that initiates blood clotting. That is thromboplastin. Thromboplastin. Yes or no? Done. Number, same question you have. What is the mineral element essential to form a blood clot? Mineral element, calcium ion. That's calcium ion is necessary, Ca2 plus. Yes or no? Chalo, number 2. Give the exact location of adrenal gland. Very easy. It is located at the top of each kidney. That is the location. Yes or no? Now look at number 3, what they have told. Mention 3 functions of adrenaline. Number A, it increases heartbeat. Yes or no? Number B, increases blood supply, isn't it, to the muscles? You can say it increases blood supply to the muscle. One more, we can face stressful situation. It helps to face stressful situation. So these are the functions of adrenaline. Done. Now, number 4. What is the contraction phase of auricles called? So the contraction phase of auricle is called auricular systole, isn't it? Auricular, spelling, just check it out, auricular systole. Okay. Now, name the 2 valves that opens during this phase. So during this phase, 2 valves this open, which is tricuspid and bicuspid. These are the 2 valve which open during this phase. Done. Now let us look at number 5, what they have given. Number 5 part 1. How are cytons and axons arranged in the spinal cord? Yeah. So in spinal cord, the central gray matter contains cyton, yes or no, of neuron, while the outer white matter contains axon. Done. Very easy. Number 2, we cannot distinguish colors in dim light. Explain giving suitable reason. Now look over here. See, our retina has photoreceptors receptors, cells, rods and cones, we know that. Yes or no? Rods are sensitive. Rods are sensitive to dim light. Yes or no? And cones are sensitive to bright light. Cones are sensitive to bright light. Yes or no? Which means rods helps in night vision and cones are responsible for color vision. Cones are sensitive to bright lights and cones responsible for color vision. Yes or no? So in dim light, cones remain very less. Cones remain very less in number, and we are not able to distinguish, and we are not able to distinguish colors. Just a minute. Distinguish colors. So that is the reason why. Yes or no? Because in dim light you have rods rather than cones. So you can't differentiate between the color of light. Done. Chalo. We'll do the next one now. What is that? First of all, I'll remove this, okay? I'll just rub this part. Now look carefully. Number 3. Given below is the diagram depicting a defect of the human eye. Answer the following question. First of all, give the scientific term of the defect of the eye. That's myopia, short-sightedness. Myopia, short-sightedness, yes or no? Mention one possible reason for the defect. The eyeball or the eye lens, sorry, not eyeball, eye lens. The eye lens has become too convex, or due to lengthening of the eyeball from front to back. These are the two reasons, front to back. Yes or no? That is why we suffer from myopia. Number C. What type of lens can be used to correct the defect? We use concave lens. Done. This was pretty easy. Myopia, hypermetropia, these are all important. Hypermetropia, okay? Now, number 4. What are hormones? And name any 2 hormones secreted by the pituitary gland. So hormones first. Hormones are chemical messenger secreted by endocrine glands directly in the blood. That is hormone. Yes or no? And what they have told? Name any 2 hormones secreted by pituitary gland. Very easy. We have TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, and we have number B, ADH, okay, antidiuretic hormone. So these are the 2 hormones secreted by pituitary gland. Done. Now let us see the last question. Number 6. 1A. From where the following nerves arises? Number A, optic nerve. It arises from the optic disc located at the back of the eye. Located at the back of the eye. Done. Number B. Auditory nerve. It arises from the cochlea, cochlea, in the inner eye. In the inner eye. Number 2. Just now I told you TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Full form. They have asked for the full form. So is thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay, and ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Yes or no? Done. What are the three main parts of the membranous labyrinth? So the main part are three main part: semicircular canal, semicircular canals, vestibule, yes or no? Number C, cochlea. So these are the three main parts. Done. Now look at the last one, what they have told. I'll just rub the top one. Okay. Look at the last one, what they have told. Number 4. Complete the following table by filling in the blanks A to C. Pancreas, hormone secreted, insulin. Insulin. Yes or no? Number 2. Thyroid, the hormone separated, thyroxine. And effect of over-secretion, exophthalmic goiter, that is C will be exophthalmic goiter. Yes or no? So that was the last question. So in this video, keep it till here. If you like the video, do subscribe and share with your friends. Everybody, take care and stay safe.